Hello YouTubers, quick review of this Sofcomfort Sport insoles I bought in Walmart for $7.44. I have this Adidas sneakers that are still in very good shape, but original insoles are looking like this, which is became very uncomfortable to wear. So that's what I'm gonna try to do to use this. It says that it's good for sizes 7 through 13, and mine is 11 and a half. So we'll see. Interesting thing is about this one, it says somewhere try me for 30 days risk-free, see inside for details. So I'm not really sure how this can be returnable, especially if I'm not size 13, and in my case I'm assuming I'm gonna have to trim some over here. So but well, we'll see how this is gonna go. Most likely I'm not going to return this, so that's what it looks like. Pretty softy, actually a lot softer than the original ones that I have, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but what I'm planning to do is actually, oh, never mind, I don't have to do anything, because my plan was to lay down and trace over here, but as you can see it, each size over here, 8, size 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So since mine is 11 and a half, I'm gonna cut it somewhere over here in between. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera over here, but it's feels pretty good so far. So enough talking. We'll see how this is gonna go. So 11 and a half. Okay. Let's see how it's. Okay, maybe I shouldn't cut. I should have measured before I cut it in my case. We'll see how it's gonna go. Well, maybe I should have cut 12. You know what? It's not bad at all. It's actually, I like it. So I like it. So I'm gonna do the second one. Closer to 12 now. That's what I'm gonna do. There you go. See, it's the thickness is over here. In my case, I'm not walking a lot in these shoes. This is gonna. I think I'm gonna like this, but you know what? The result, I am very pleased. For $7.99, I got myself, I guess, another life out of this I like it. I like it a lot. So my biased opinion, if you're looking at sport or Sofcomfort, in my case they have a different kind, like heavy duty all day wear and whatever other ones, and you can find those in shoe department in Walmart for $7.44. I'm really surprised. I like it. I like it a lot. So thumbs up.